Imagine typing a single sentence and watching it come alive as a real video. Motion, lighting, camera work, actors, environments, all generated instantly by AI. Today, I am going to show you how creators are producing cinematic shots, ads, music video scenes, product visuals, and full story moments using Runway Gen-4, the most advanced text-to-video model released in 2025. But here is the twist. It isn't just a tool. It is the beginning of a new filmmaking language. And once you understand how Runway Gen-4 thinks, you will be able to generate videos that look impossible. Let's begin. In today's video, I will take you from beginner to expert. I will show you how to write powerful prompts, how Runway Gen-4 works in the background, how to generate video step by step, how to enhance and upscale your output, and how professionals optimize it for cinematic quality. By the end of this video, you will not only know how to use Runway Gen-4, you will understand how to control it. Before we start clicking buttons, we need to understand what Gen-4 actually is. Runway describes Gen-4 as a general world model, meaning it doesn't just generate images or videos. It generates coherent physical reality. In simple terms, Gen-4 predicts how objects should move, how light should behave, and how space should feel. This is where it becomes different from older models like Gen-2 or Gen-1. Those models were good at visuals, but struggled with realism. Runway Gen-4 is built on a massive multimodal training dataset that includes motion patterns, physics, simulations, real camera behaviors, lighting transitions, texture mapping, environmental consistency. It uses a diffusion backbone, but with a neural video representation that compresses time, space, and motion into a single latent world. This is why Gen-4 videos feel alive. Now that you know what you're working with, let's open Runway. Once you log in to Runway, you'll see the Gen-4 option under Text to Video. Click it, and the interface is very simple. Prompt box, reference image/video, optional, advanced parameters like length, motion, style, and camera behavior. But here's the secret. Runway Gen-4 is extremely sensitive to prompt structure. You only get great results when you give it clear visual direction. So before we generate anything, let me teach you the formula that top creators use. This is the formula I recommend for Gen-4. Scene plus, subject plus, action plus, camera plus, lighting plus, style/mood. For example, a futuristic Tokyo street at night, neon reflections on wet pavement, a woman walking slowly with a holographic umbrella, the camera drifting sideways like a dolly shot, soft, cinematic lighting, high detail, realistic motion. This is exactly the type of detail Gen-4 understands deeply. Avoid vague prompts like, make a cool video, or show a man running. Runway doesn't fill gaps the way you think. It follows structure. Let's try generating something right now. Here is the prompt we will use. A close-up cinematic shot of a mechanical bird taking flight from a metal perch, sparks and dust particles in the air, the camera slowly pushing forward, dramatic rim lighting, sci-fi atmosphere. Click Generate. Runway will now begin predicting time and space. Watch the progress bar. This part is fascinating because Gen-4 calculates not just frames, but motion continuity. Once the video appears, let's analyze it. Look at the smoothness of the wings. Look at the lighting reacting to motion. Notice how the camera movement feels organic. This is why Gen-4 is so powerful. Let me briefly explain the backend, because understanding it will help you generate better results. Runway Gen-4 uses three major components. 1. Spatiotemporal diffusion model. This predicts how each pixel evolves over time. It is trained on massive motion datasets that let it learn. Gravity-like motion, natural bends and sways, realistic camera shake momentum and inertia. 2. Video latent world representation. Instead of generating frame by frame, Gen-4 thinks of a whole scene at once. It creates a compressed 4D space, XYZ time, inside a neural latent world. This is why objects stay consistent. 3. Physics-conditioned prediction. Gen-4 knows that fire emits light, water reflects motion, cloth bends, and folds, shadows follow objects. It doesn't know true physics like a simulation engine, but it has learned statistical physics through millions of video samples. This is why your videos feel real. Once you understand these principles, you can control the model like a director. Once you have your favorite generation, go to Enhance. Here, Runway lets you upscale to higher resolution, stabilize motion, sharpen textures, improve color, extend the length using motion-aware continuation. These features turn your AI clips from cool to production-ready. Runway Gen-4 isn't just an upgrade. It is the closest thing we've seen to AI filmmaking. For creators, marketers, musicians, indie filmmakers, this is a superpower, and if you understand how it thinks, you can make videos that look like Hollywood shots from your browser. If you want me to make a full course on Runway Gen-4, from beginner to expert, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching.